Big plan. Man, I done came back and look, somebody already snatched it over there and take off. Guess I ain't need that part. See, I'm over here just stealing screws. I got the hood hinges and the bracket that I need right there. I'm just getting all the little screws that I might want or might feel like I might need in the near future. Other than that, I got almost everything that I need. Right. Alright, YouTube, I'm on my way out the junkyard, and man, it's like the third 4V I done seen out here. I'm getting fucking anxious, baby. I think I might come and grab me one of these. Yep. But I got all the parts I need. I got the hood hinge, I got the power steering bracket. Everything else I should be good on. Put you guys back on when I get to the crib. What's up, guys? I'm back at the crib, and you know, just sitting here reflecting on some of this work that I did. And, this is still bothering me. You see that? Now I know y'all looking up in there, it's all crunched up and still chewed up, and I'll never be able to get it perfect because, yeah, basically that's all messed up. So I'm just gonna rock with this, man. Honestly, it's like I want to make it perfect, but at the same time I'm like, just fix the shit so you can just drive it again. And you know, I don't know, man. I'm low-key a perfectionist. Just remember, I gotta fix that hole in that plastic. Yeah, but I'm low-key a perfectionist, so I like shit to be a certain way in like a certain order, or like just look in a certain way. So I think I might be eventually just down the line getting another shell and doing that, because yeah, man, that is gonna kill me. Yeah. Then like, what's the point of painting it, getting a nice paint job, and you got a saggy looking headlight? This side is okay, you know. It's still got the same kind of little gap a little bit, but you could kind of see it, kind of can't. I don't know, man. Drop down in the comments, let me know if I'm just being over, you know, if I'm just overly obsessing over something that's never gonna be perfect anyways. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this hood removed so I can go ahead and have extra space to get this valve cover off. Alright guys, my camera about to die, but as you can see I got that thing swapped out. Boy, was it hey, this is a B word. Y'all may or may not see how much I had to fight with this to get this on or not, but it's swapped out. Everything is good. I ended up breaking this on accident, so I gotta go get another one of these from AutoZone. And I'm gonna get these hood hinges on. Yo, this fucking valve cover. Whew, let me just say that it could have been a lot easier than what it was, but my dumb ass just doing dumb stuff, stupid shit. There you go, guys. There you have it. Put it on as straight as it's gonna get. About even, about same gap. All the way through. Like I said, I need the other bump stop there to make it sit up just a little bit. I might go and get another fender just cause. That right there. Other than that, man, about ready to get back on the road. Yes, sir. I'm the one that's living lavish. Like I'm playing for the Mavericks. Woo. Let's get it. Alright guys, y'all see that thing? Yes sir. Okay. Alright man, y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'm doing an unboxing and unfolding video of some KBD stuff for the Mustang. Alright guys, that's gonna be my video for today.